Okay guys, we got a 2016 Ram 1500 with the 5.7 Hemi motor in there. This has got under 100,000 miles on it. Hard to find a truck with this kind of mileage of this year. It's got the 6.5 foot bed with the bed cover, good tires. This one also has leather. They've added on. It's got 2 keys. $97,122 on the miles. Cruise control. This is an Express 4-wheel drive. Your air controls. Backup camera. Long weather floor mats. Look at that seat. Headliner. Dash. Got the dual exhaust, tow package. Spray in bed liner. This is a 6-passenger if needed. Pretty clean truck. All painted front end, all blacked out. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.